So earlier in the week, I went skiing. My school has a weird break in the middle of February that we all call Ski Week. Some friends and I, we went skiing, but I had to come back early because my soccer team made it to the sections semifinal and I had to go play in that. So that is why I am back in the middle of the week and doing my homework during that time. And unfortunately, that's like the only time of the year that I get to go skiing, but I had so much fun skiing. It was so pretty, and I'll take what I can get. I woke up at 11 today and I went to brunch with my dad, and I watched YouTube videos for about an hour while I unpacked, and now it's 2 o'clock and I'm really wondering what I have done today. So I really need to stretch because I had a soccer game at 7 o'clock last night, played hard, and I'm really sore, and I need to do my homework because teachers apparently don't understand the meaning of break and rest, and also I procrastinate. So I'm going to go get that done. Let's do this. So before you begin studying, it is absolutely essential to eat some food first, just to motivate yourself. So today we've got some lovely plantain chips, some salted caramel milk chocolate, and water, of course, because I am constantly dehydrated. So I'm gonna eat some food and then begin. I have a lot of English readings I need to do, some paragraphs I have to write, and I actually don't have any math or chemistry homework at the moment, so that's quite nice. And I just remembered that before I left for break, I wrote down a list of all the homework that I had to do. So here it is in all of its glory, right here. So much stuff, but that's okay. We're just gonna forget the fact that I could be skiing right now, and instead I'm at home doing some homework, as one does when they're on vacation, because I am a good student. Well, I wrote one paragraph and I'm already feeling very emotionally drained. So I'm just chilling on my bed, watching the clouds pass in the sky and trying to get the energy to start my English homework. case if you're worried about me thinking that I have no life and that I study all the time, that is false. I also hung out with my friends, went on some runs, went out to lunch, went shopping. Oh, and I tried sewing a pair of shorts that did not work out, and they ended up in the trash, along with the wrappers of all the chocolate I was eating because I was a little bit stressed and frustrated during the whole process. It's all good though now. After I finished my homework, I went and folded some laundry because I had a huge stack on my bed that needed to be done. I had taken a lot of shirts from my garage that I'm going to upcycle later on, so I washed those and now I'm just folding those. And sorry if folding laundry is really boring to watch, it probably is, but it's part of my day, it's part of what motivates me as I turn on some good music and get folding. And that is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do you like these vlogs? I'm not really sure. I kind of make them just because they're fun to watch the time lapses, but give me feedback please. I'd love some. And I hope you have a great day.